Well, welcome to the North White Open House. This is for biology and earth space sciences. My name is Fred Maas. I'll be the instructor for the earth space science class and biology 1 and biology 2 classes. I wanted to just take this opportunity to introduce myself and to tell you a little bit about my background. I'm kind of an old man, but I'm a new teacher. I've finished 2 years teaching at North White. My training is in plant genetics. I got a PhD from Purdue in wheat breeding and genetics many years ago. And I had a career, actually a few careers in wheat genetics, worked for different companies, and then started my own business. Had my own wheat genetics business from 1999 up until about 2014 or so. My business kind of took a left turn. My son was a teacher at Jeff High School in Lafayette. He said I should try substituting. So I did and found out I love the classroom environment. I love the students. And so I thought maybe I should pursue teaching career. So I followed the path that Indiana provides for advanced degree individuals with 1 year of teaching experience. I taught at Ivy Tech. I taught actually biology and advanced soil fertility there, and got my license, and I'm pleased to be working at North White. It's a very good environment. And so there's a little bit about my background, why I'm at North White teaching. This is my hometown, originally from Colorado, and I'll give a more detailed biography of myself on the first day of school. But just to say why as a Colorado native living in Indiana, and it's a long story. All of my ancestors lived in Golden, Colorado. My great-great-grandfather moved in there in the 1800s, and all of my ancestors remained there, except every generation there's one black sheep that leaves town, and I'm the one this generation. So I've been in Indiana since 1982 when I came to work on my graduate degree at Purdue, and then I had a job opportunity when I graduated, and I stayed in Indiana ever since. And I'm glad to be in Indiana. My son is a native-born Hoosier, and he loves Indiana. He's a storm chaser, and also teaches earth space science at Jeff High School in Lafayette. So I think I'm going to change the screen size here to talk a little more directly. So my goals as a teacher are to teach science, but I also want to help students to get a better start in life. Starting off with respect, respecting oneself, and then also others, and also respect for authority. So these are some of the goals I have for all of the students. Also, I want to try to see students mature. I have a habit, and it's intentional, I try to treat students as adults, calling them up to more mature behavior. And as students respond to that, they have more opportunity for more freedom and more latitude. I also am trying to train a work ethic. I'm trying to get students ready for career. I give, for example, bonus credits for every week of perfect attendance. One of the main things employers need is people to show up. So I give extra credit for students that are there every day. And it can add up to a whole letter grade if a person is there all semester. It can be quite an impact on your grade. Also a work ethic. I want students to know how to work hard, also to meet deadlines, and to be accountable for their activities and actions. I do have a document, a classroom expectations document, that I will ask every student to sign, and then their parent and guardian will also sign it. And then that hard copy will be inserted in your science journal on page 2. You will be required to have a science journal. And as I mentioned before, this expectation sheet is based on respect. Respect for yourself, respect for one another, respect for the teachers and faculty and administrators and the property at North White. I do give a lot of assignments. If a student does them all, that student should do well in my classes. The thing to watch out for is neglected assignments, because zeros have a tremendous negative impact on the grade. So it takes 200% A's to get 1 0 to just a passing D grade. So please try to get everything turned in, and we can accommodate you if you have an illness or something, but try to make sure you get all your assignments done. I do have bell ringers every day at the beginning of class, something for you to work on, and then those will be collected at the end of class, the end of the week, and that's 10 points every week. The bell ringers will add up to about 10% of your grade as well. So far as parents, I know some parents will be watching this. The North White administration has a good policy requiring teachers to contact parents every week. We try to focus on those who are needing help, but sometimes we call with a good report as well. But I also want to invite parents to contact or email me if you have any questions or comments. And the last slide on this presentation will be something you can stop the video and then get my contact information from there. So if you have questions, please feel free to get in touch with me. And with that said, we'll go on to this last slide, and I'll shrink this back down. Here's my contact information for the school email and school phone number. And please feel free to get in touch with me at any time. And I'm really looking forward to getting back in the classroom. It's been a long time for all of us, and I look forward to seeing everybody's beautiful smiling faces soon. So take care.